Now I'll just share with you a easy and simple go-to makeup look which you can wear it every day. If you're going for work, if you're going to university, if you're a college going student, you can always wear it and go. For any functions also if you want. So I have already cleansed my face, and the next thing which I'm going to be using, I'll just use my toner. As you all know, I use the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner, but since I have put that in this, don't get confused. This is not the Lakme Absolute Perfect Toner. This is the Plum Toner which I have transferred into this spray bottle. So I'll just quickly take a cotton pad, and on top of this I'll spray the Plum Toner. And then with this wet, I'll just apply it, concentrating on my T-zone. Then I'll pull it to my neck, and after I pull it to my neck, I won't go back with it on my face. So once my toner is dry, I'll go in with my primer, and it's none other than La Shield. La Shield is my go-to primer. This is a sunscreen cum primer, so this is going to serve dual purposes. So I'll just take a bit of product and I'll just apply it on my face. This acts as your moisturizer also, so I won't be going in with extra moisturizer today because it's a daytime look and it can make you look greasy. Since I'm on the combination skin side, I won't be going in with extra moisturizer. The toner which I had used, it already has moisturizing properties. It's the Plum Green Tea Toner. And the sunscreen which I have used, it already makes your skin quite moisturized, and it already closes the pores, which if there, it already closes it. But I'll not go in with extra moisturizer because after a few hours I might look oily. I have an alternate option for this, since I don't go in with any other primer because my skin suits best with this. I have an alternative recommendation for you all. It's this one. It's the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. You all know this, I'm pretty sure. It's the Blur Perfect primer. You can always use this. This is also no doubt a very nice primer. So the next step would be, I'll take the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, and I'm in the shade Pure Ivory. I'll just take 2 drops of it. Since it's a daytime look, I don't suggest going in with too much of foundation, and I like my skin to be natural. I don't like that over foundation look. I'm not in for all those. So I'll just wet my sponge with my toner. I'll just make my sponge wet with the toner because in this case it absorbs the product better. I'll just put a very little amount of foundation on my face, and with patting motion I'll just go on my entire face, over my eyes as well, around my mouth, on my forehead, I'll extend it up to my hairlines. Now with whatever is left, I'll just pull it down to my neck. So I am not a too much foundation person, so I'll just leave it to that. I'll just put a quick lip gloss because I'll be going in with a soft matte lipstick though. So next, I'll be doing my eyeshadow. So for today, I have taken the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Rose in the Air. This eyeshadow palette has beautiful color payoff, you guys. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I will next go in with my brushes, and for brushes I'll just be using 3 simple easy brushes. One from Puna store, one from Solimo brushes, and one from Pack. So since it's a daytime look, it's going to be very simple. I'll just take pigment. I'll take this color and I'll dust off the excess, and I'll just apply it on my crease. You guys, can you see? I'll just apply it on my crease. I'll just make this a transition color. I'll keep on blending. I'll keep this look very vibrant, and I won't at all do something which looks very bold because it's daytime. I'll have to keep that in mind. And next, with a clean brush, I'll take the white shadow and I'll just apply it in the center of my eyelids, brightening up that place and making it ready for the next shadow. I'll go in with this again. Now, with the Puna store brush, I'll take the shimmer shade and I'll dust off the excess, and I'll just pack the color in 3/4 of my eyelid. Wow, I really like how this look is turning out. If you are not a shimmer person, guys, you can just put the white, intensify your crease a bit more and be done with it. I'll just put a bit more of this because I like the shimmer. And again, with a clean brush, I'll just go in with my orange color and I'll just dust off the excess, and I'll just put this color again to put everything together. I'll just put this together. Same with the other eye. Now fill my brows with my eyebrow pencil. I'll be going in with my Iconic, and I'll just from the bottom to up. This looks nice. Now I'll really come close and I'll just do my lower lashes. I will just take time doing your makeup. It's not rocket science. I really like the way the look has turned out, and this is absolutely an easy look, and you can wear this on the daytime without much worries. If you want, you can definitely go in with an eyeliner, but for today I don't feel like putting an eyeliner. Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate. So I'll just put it halfway through, and I won't go in the full way. I'll just leave it the halfway. I'll not enter full way, and I'll leave it to that because I feel that looks good. It makes your eyes pop out. For the next step we are left with is lipstick. I'll be using Maybelline New York's Superstay Ink Matte Lipstick. The color which I'm using, it is Versatile, shade number 210, and I'll apply it on my lips. I don't like to outline my lips too much. My lipstick is going in very well with my eyeshadow, so that is something which I like. And that's all for today's video. I really hope you like this video. Stay tuned to my channel. Love you all. Bye.